I mean, look at that. We got select ID and name from user, right? And we said right here, I want to select X ID and X name. Let's put it. Let's ship it, boys. Let's ship it. We don't know how to, I don't know how I'm going to do aliasing. I don't know how I'm going to do a bunch of other stuff, but we'll be able to figure those out, chat. So better understand anything from this stream. Let's go. Like, what if you do, you know, select, you know, X dot, so like select X dot Y from user as X, or what? I don't even remember what the syntax is. I don't remember how you do this. Or right where you go, maybe we don't even necessarily need to do that. Maybe we don't have to do that because we're really smart now and we can do it without doing that, right? Let's understand other than Octane. How did you learn OCaml? By doing what I'm doing today. We probably don't need it if they're only going to build queries by doing our thing, right? So maybe we don't even need to do that. Okay, let's see if we can figure out how to get, how we can get joins working. Because right now, this is working. I don't know what is going on with OCaml LSP for this project, but it's getting very confused by this. So this is where we fail, and that's fine. Okay. So what do we really want to do? Build request. Instead of getting a string, we probably need to put it into some intermediate data type, and then at the end, smush it into a string, right? Like, what we need to do here is we need to get something like, we want something similar with, we can do all of these parts just with strings, which is nice, right? So we could do like type request, right? We can do a from, string, fields, string, list, or I guess we could do field name list. We can do join, string list, something like this, right? Funny how now I think making a 3D game in OCaml is not so crazy. Thanks, sweetheart. Love ya. Ooh, that'd be great. Yeah. Yeah, let's get those down here stuff. What did you say? Oh, I thought you said, can I take the chips? No, almost. I'll finish them today. Got some food, chat. All right. Oh. Let's change this to, we'll yip it. Let rec build request type, something like this. And this is going to build a request. This one's going to build a request. This one's going to do, okay. Technically, oh, I got an idea. I got an idea. We'll just do this for now. We'll just do this for now. Okay. I'm having, these are some carrots to start with. Right? So now we have, this is our from, and then this is our joined. Thanks, cutie pie. I got it. From his name, right? Fields is still nothing. And then join. That's not right either, though. That's not right either. But okay, we can do it like this. We can do it like this. Let from is build request type from in here. Then we can do from dot from. Steamed or boiled. I guess I'm not sure. I guess I'm not sure which one she did. But or hot and not crunchy, which is it's nice. Okay. Probably this should be from dot field. So then this one, we got some cucumbers following up. Oh, they're visible today. Okay. Join that from. This doesn't seem right, but this will at least work for one, and then we'll have to figure it out later. Maybe we can do app. I don't know, something like this, right? Okay. Ooh, maybe we don't even need fields. Oh no, we do need them. We do need them. Right, okay. But now chat, we just go from is from dot from. Fields is F table. Oh, I lost my table. Where did I lose my from? That can be right though. Join equals from dot join. So this one would work. This one doesn't work. This one doesn't work. We need to get the original guy here. Really? Should be name and table. Ooh, okay. Name, does this work? Dang. That should work. This can be from with Have you ever seen F# type providers? I don't think I have. I haven't looked a lot at F# to be honest. No, this is mine. Let's just change this for a sec to this for a hodl. Right? And so then what we want to do is we want to say, let's build request. Let's do that request is build request type query in format.sprintf. Select %s from this in this, right? let join match with that's probably fine for now. So this would be like request.from or request.name, field concat request fields, and join. Nice. Okay, we're getting closer, chat. We're getting closer. We're getting closer. Because here we have some joins. Let's just say 1. Inner join on wait, how can this name be? Oh wait, these need to be switched. Select, okay, right? So then it's like, okay, field concat request fields, right? So this would be like let fields is match fields with star, otherwise in here. Is that mochi? No, that would be pretty cool though. It's it's kiwi. Barely, apparently. Barely, but it's kiwi. Right, but chat, look at this. Select from post. Oh, did I get the wrong one though? I think I probably should just be less dumb. So how did I do this? Join from post and from user. Which way would you want to do this? I think you would want to say user first and then post, right? That's like your... select star from user, join on post. That's not really the right thing, but that's okay. That's okay. We're getting there, right? Right now, we don't have a, we need to have a condition here. Or I'll check it out. Sure. We can look at it right now while I'm eating. My opinion on Planetscale? Well, there's a couple people I can't believe that they laid off, but that's sort of beside the point. I don't. For me personally, I don't know. I don't know how much trouble I want to get in today. So like, I don't think every company always needs to have their free tier forever. Or that people should like always just expect free tiers. I don't really... I get like why a software company who has an API who allows you to scale up would want to give you a free tier. Right? So that part I get, but also then people just like... I don't know. People, I sometimes feel like people think that they're like entitled to that. I don't really get that. It's nice if someone wants to give me a free tier to test it out, but I don't really get the like, you know. You scroll right on that. I think by default it has wrap on, so you'd have to set no wrap. There is no free, only X months free while people know who we are. I'm not sure what you're saying. Just finished feature 1 month ago, being super happy when inside the free tier. Yeah, I don't know. So most of what I've seen people upset about is like the way that they phrased the thing. I don't know. But I also don't care. I don't really follow Twitter drama. I don't really care what everybody like. It's like fun to talk about some stuff, but like, okay, so in their announcement post, right? They said they were laying people off, and everyone's like, "Are you not even helping people?" Blah blah blah. And like, I mean, according to what I've heard, they're trying to help people. I don't know. I don't really care about Planetscale. I've never used it. I only like them because Aaron Francis was there, and I like Aaron Francis, right? So like, that's literally the only thing I knew about them was I like Aaron. So I don't know anything about it. But I'm saying like everyone's just like, oh, because you didn't sort of like toot your own horn about how much you're helping people, you must hate them. I don't know. Why do they need to tell me what they're doing to try and help people find new jobs? I just don't really get it. But people don't offer things for free. It's just not actually free, right? No time for Twitter. Need to config nvim. Nice, Casino. Nice. So I don't really get... I don't know. It's whatever. They want to focus on enterprise users. Okay. Right. Okay. Like, I don't think that, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like I can't relate to a lot of the reasons people are upset about it, but I also don't have very much insight into the situation. So I don't have very much to say about it either. I mean, obviously it sucks for the people who got laid off. Duh. You know what I mean? Like, duh. I feel bad for them. I really like some of the people that got laid off. But I don't know, you know what I mean? Like, that's also like saying, yeah, it's like bad that cancer exists. Like it's 2024, I'm against cancer. I want everybody to know. You know what I mean? Like, clap for me, I'm very brave. HP printer drama? No, now that sounds more fun. Extreme viewpoints. Babe, we've got so much in common. Right before it got blown up. Nice. On the lowest, you pay $7 for 20 pages. Oh my goodness, that's pretty funny. You don't pay, you don't get to print. Send hearts, send parties. Yeah, YouTube chat. Let's go YouTube chat. Woohoo! So much in God enjoyed. Sharma, nice joke. So I don't know. Does that answer your question about my? I guess my answer is, I have basically no opinions about the Planetscale situation. Oh, Andre, I missed your thing. Not sure what's more surprising, people complaining about VC-backed company being VC, or people complaining about 40 USD a month for a database. Yeah. Well, here's the thing, chap. You can find a place where you can pay money. And then you probably will still continue to have your service later. Like everyone's like, why would you pay for Obsidian, Publish, or Sync? Why would you pay to like get a font? Because I want those things to still exist in 6 months. You know? Oh, I'm not in the printer game these days, Chad. I don't know anything about it. Oh, nice. Well, yeah, that's the other thing. It's like they're giving you a service, which is kind of funny. It kind of like reverses the role in a really unfortunate way too, right? Like normally I'm paying the company, I'm getting a service. Right? But then when I'm using it for free, I'm not the customer anymore. It's kind of like they're the customer. Yeah, Ruby, that makes sense. And I mean, the transition part sucks. I agree, but I feel like what they're saying is we want to target big enterprise customers. That's our target audience. We want to try and crush that, right? So then they're saying, okay, it's a huge drain to have an enterprise team and a product-led growth team. Like it's completely different, right? You know what I mean? Completely different. So it's very difficult to do. Right, but then there's other companies, right? Like, can't you get some other company to host your database? I don't even know what Planetscale does. So I'm still the wrong person to ask, like I said the whole time. Got it, Chunky. Yeah. Oh, nice, TC. Very cool. Oh, nice, chicken. That's cool. Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, exactly. That's kind of how I feel too. So I don't know. I'm just putting my general hate out for big corpos. Hey, this chat is welcoming for people to share the things that they don't like about. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. This is actually such a cool feature. Are you kidding? I just accidentally hovered over this. Really? You guys see this? That's so dope. That's actually so cool. Just in the middle of the docs, chat. I mean, unfortunately, you can't read any of the types because it's F#. So that part's kind of a shame. Like, you can't read anything. But it's like awesome that it exists. This is a nice video. Hey, thanks, Nova. Good idea, bad language. Exactly. I'm sure it's just embedded in the HTML. Like when they generate this page, they run something that emits the type analysis, right? Which is very cool. Yeah. So anyways, I don't know, Chad. I don't have anything interesting to say about the Planetscale thing, except that I feel like okay, I'll share my let's steal it and submit for OKMorg. That'd be a good idea too. I'll say my one sort of like hot take about it then. Most of the outrage seems to be that most people pretend companies aren't trying to make money. And then they get real mad when they try and make money. That's what I saw most of the people being angry about on Twitter. You're a kid, what did you want to do? I wanted to be an inventor. My dream was, I did watch it like a late, yeah. My dream was I wanted to be an inventor. That's it. That's like, I just thought that was the coolest job, making things. And then that didn't seem like you couldn't like sign up for that, you know? So then I wanted to be a mechanical engineer because I liked math and physics. And so that's what you do. If you like math and physics, you go and do that. Had a computer science class the end of my sophomore year of college. Found out that I fell in love with programming, switched my major, became a computer engineering major because I was already halfway done with an engineering major. And now I'm here, chat. There you go. I do think I succeeded at being an inventor. I feel like programmer is like basically the coolest job that exists. It's literally like getting to invent all the time. I get to do lots of stuff that is like inventing, right? Both with code and with like content and other stuff like that, you know? So, yeah, I get to do, I definitely feel like I'm living my dream. I feel so blessed, chat. Yesterday was 10 years ago. I asked my wife to marry me. She's the best. I love her. We've got 2 kids and another one coming on the way. Get to hang out with my family all the time. Lots of friends, like get to do church. I get to hang out on stream and just do like random stuff and learn things, make people laugh and learn. Are you kidding me? Chat. I invent Twitter memes and I even get paid for them. Like literal pennies. It's so awesome. Well, we got engaged 10 years ago. So we've been married for like almost, we'll be 9 this summer. Whole pennies. Father of 2, father of 3, right? The third one's cooking. He or she will be here in a few months, in August. I'm thinking we're having another boy. We're gonna wait and get surprised though. Am I screwed? What? Why would you be screwed, Stubag? How old are you? I'm 30. As a kid, I didn't realize how quickly the moon got boring. Yeah, I know. Plus, you'd have to leave your family and stuff. Thursday, yesterday, frop math only realize I code for fun. Math, yeah. Comment right. There is a more common way to write select star from customers where name is John Smith. What are you talking about, Megalodon? I have any idea what the website's using for these hovers? I feel it may come in handy. I don't know. I would just inspect it if I was interested. Hey, thanks, nice chicken. Should have my first dude. Suborbital, congrats! It's so awesome. I love being a dad. I mean, obviously, sometimes it's very difficult. Like, duh. Wow, surprise. Sometimes things are hard, even when they're cool. I love it a lot. I'm probably in 35, dude. People are having kids then still. I didn't see the DHH one about Windows. I don't think I read it, Kevy. People there cut for fame won't take less offers in this. That is certainly a problem. Like people are just only picking things that are like they might be out of reach or unreasonable for them to expect right away. I want to work for mom and pop down the street, dude. I like working for smaller places, yeah. Well, yeah, part of the reason they want, 150K, 600K out of the box, right, is they're like, well, I watched a YouTube video, and the YouTube video, it told me that I'm able to, like, and you're like, the YouTube video, it's not that good, chat. It's lying to you. You're not just going to automatically fall into 600K the minute that you start programming. You know what I mean? Charut. And Julia versus salary regular, that's like 50K. Yeah. When it's pretty simple. Maybe it's a little higher now. I'm not sure, but like pretty similar for me where we were. Yeah. Get a decent job. Well, I think pretty much like, so you got two options, right? Option number one, literally all the jobs are taken by AI. Okay, well then there's nothing that you can do to stop that part from happening anyways. But I don't think that's really going to happen. Not like that anyways. So then option number two is there exist jobs left, right? Okay, well then give yourself skills to make yourself really useful, right? Your job maybe taking advantage of. That's funny. Yeah, real salary in EU. Yeah, exactly, Kevin. Geek, hey, thanks. 15 months AI. Can we adapt faster than AI? I don't know. So, I mean, my general... Oh, what's up, Defana? 3 months in advance. Appreciate it. I've said this before, and here's been generally my, like, my sort of, like... I've said this multiple times, is basically... If your hypothesis is that there's going to be billions of times more code than what there is right now because AI is going to be writing tons and tons and tons, then probably knowing some things about code will be a useful skill, right? Like even if you're not coding exactly the same way that we are right now, like still knowing and understanding what's going on will still, I think, be pretty useful. And also people way overestimate how fast some things will be able to move. Like you think they're just going to be like, oh, okay, we're not going to have doctors anymore and we'll just let the, AI medical records thing just take over. This is not going to happen right away. Just like even if it was 1,000 times better, it's still not going to happen. Right? It still won't happen that fast, right? So it's still, Yeah, but that's what I'm saying, Subek. If you show people that you can work hard and that you're able to finish things and you gain skills about learning how to learn, that's good. Even if it's not in exactly the thing. Do you skip leg day? Only in the sense that generally speaking, I don't always do like particular kinds of workouts, but usually my workouts involve leg day. Like today I went for a run with my dog, or like earlier this week I was rowing, and tomorrow I'm going to go play basketball. So not really doing like leg day. Yeah, banks are still like RTPing files to each other. How long have you coded in OCaml? I don't know, like a year or something like that, I guess, kind of. So it's like, you know, the world is not quite as simple as you guys all want to think, you know? It's not quite so simple. What did I say? Oh, did I say RTP? I did say RTP, didn't I? No. I was thinking the wrong thing. Yeah. FTP. Sorry. I don't know. Yeah. That's what the chat. That's what happens. I'm 30. I'm getting old. You know what I mean? I would say camera is very helpful for streaming. F in the chat for FTP. Yeah. Remote plugins. They use Neo. Yeah. Remote plugins. Exactly. What's up, Shy? Right? They're a basic OCaml web server example. There's a few. Yeah. Just started using Neovim. It's awesome. Great. Denilson, I'm still waiting for you to apologize for not censoring VS, by the way, in YouTube chat. I'm waiting. What camera? It's my wife's old Fujifilm X-T20. Player piano. Hey, thanks as well for the sub. Have you done Haskell? I have not really done it in any ways. In any serious way. All right, so let's see if we can get this working then. Because really what we want here, this needs to be an expression. We don't have expressions yet. Teej, hey! Thanks for the gifties. Haskell, we're working on it. Did I hear Haskell? And a wild PhD shows in the chat. What are we looking at? What are we looking at? Sam. Oh, dang. Hey, thanks, Sam. I love Envim. Oh, I wish it was feature. Plugin exists. We don't need same defaults. It's amazing. Giga Chad. Thank you. SFTP or FTPS or golden emote Kappa train. Holy cow, chat. We got the golden Kappa. Wait, no, it only happens at the end? Complete level 3. Not even the fake golden Kappa one either. Oh, dang. Hey, thanks, piano. Turns gold after the train is done.
This is not Rob from the block. This was TGDV.
TGDV. Oh my goodness, what's up, Crimson Mama? Oh my goodness. Make him cry, chat. Make him cry. And Tajsi and Breakerbane and Shy Right. Give me Kappa. Give me Kappa. Give me Kappa. Hey, dang. Thank you, Crimson Mama. Unfortunately, well, so here's the thing. I haven't set this up yet to actually work correctly, but Crimson, did you see? This is where I don't have the notifications on the other scene yet. I have to figure this out. But this is where we're going to go when gifted subs happen. Right here. This is where the notifications will happen. So I don't know, maybe something like this. Maybe we need the video in the background. I don't know, something like this. You know what I mean? But we gotta go something. We gotta go something like that. You know what I'm saying? What happened to my goal? I can't tell what the hype train is doing. Did the hype train break? Teej Tales. I'll sing the song. I'll sing the song. Oh, dude, a bathtub, that would be funny. Okay, I refreshed the page and we're back. We're on level 8, Golden Kappa Train. Let's go. Yeah, I refreshed and we're back. Gabe, thank you for the 100 biddies. All right, so chat, who wants to know what we're doing? Did Prime stop streaming or something? Is that why people are coming over here now? You guys ready to see some real code? It's only contributors or maybe people who receive it as well, Crimson Mama. I'm not sure. Charut, 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 charut. Usually when I get 5 charuts in a row, it means Prime finished streaming. All right, so here's what we've been working on, chat, okay? Here's what we've been working on. I have been trying to build a query builder. Now, if you're looking for any % fastest way to get banned in chat, you can say a query builder and an ORM are the same thing. So if you're just looking for that in your life, feel free. Feel free. But 100 bits is enough. Hey, thanks for your and Soren as well. What is a query builder? The point of a query builder is that we can construct a SQL query using values. It's pretty weak troll anyways. It's true, it's not. They're not the same. We can construct a query value. And now let me see. I can do this and we can get back to here from here. And let me go back here. I'll go back to when I had something working a second ago. So how do we do this? I was going to ask. You can ask, but don't say they're the same. SQL is ancient. No SQLs are 10. What I want to be able to do, there's 2 main things. Okay, 2 main things. The first one is I want to be able to compose queries, which means if you have like some filters that you want to apply, you could like pass a list of filters and get them all applied, right? This kind of thing, right? And the second one is I want to maintain type safety. So for example, I only want to select from fields that actually exist on a table, or when I read from the table, I want to make sure I'm actually getting the right types. And ideally, as much as possible, we'd like to find that out when we compile, right? I want to do that when we compile, not when we're like running it and prod crashes, right? So to do that, we've been doing some type system shenanigans in OCaml, right? The distinction here between like an ORM versus like a query builder is, we'll just go down here and I'll write some examples, right? Like let ORM example, you would have something like, you know, user dot posts dot, you know, list, you know, user posts 37 or something like this, right? Maybe in some other language like this, right? You would do something like this. But when you select the user out of the database, you didn't load all the posts. So now when you do this, you send another database query, right? You're like, oh, shoot, I accidentally did this. Or even worse, you know, you got 4, you know, user in users, do, and, right? And you do something like this where you say user.posts, you know, .first or something like this, right? It's just pseudocode for how this would work, right? And you do this, and then you say, oh, shoot. Whoops. Instead of just n+1, we have like n times n queries for this, right? Because we're going to accidentally load all of these up. Oh, Mr. Flaz, thank you as well. Hey, thanks everybody for the gifted subs. Really, very much appreciated. Helps me keep doing what we're doing right here, which is stream. Choo choo. Let's get those golden kappas out, boys. Okay. You guys understand what I'm saying here? Is everyone getting how this is working? n+1 has solved my most ORMs. How are you going to solve this? Like ahead of time. How are you going to prefetch these? Right? How are you not going to accidentally have n queries for this? Yes, right. If you remember to do extra things, then you will get it right. Agreed. Agreed. Yes, I know that it's possible to go, you know, users dot includes posts or something like this, right? Eager loading, load them. I'm with you, right? But there's nothing like in the type of this users that tells you that you need to do that. Okay, everyone, right? Okay, so you're following? For a query builder, let query builder, right? You would have something like this. You would pass a database to this, right? And then you might say something like, okay, what am I going to do with the database? I'm going to say, you know, let's get the users. Let users is, you know, users dot select all or something like that. database in here. And then maybe I'll do like, but here, if I did something like list iter users, and in our function we had user, it's going to be obvious when I do users.getPost user database. Okay? Because now I have to still like pass this database around, and we have to, there's no accidental magically like loading these things, right? You see this difference? I'm not saying ORMs are bad out in every single case, right? I've used some ORMs that I felt pretty productive in, and you can learn the tricks and all this other stuff. But this kind of thing is what I want to do, right? I'm saying ORMs are bad. I actually I don't really care to say whether they're bad or not. That's not really the point. I'm saying this is the difference, right? And what does select all do? Select all is really just saying select all is really some function, right? It generates a SQL query, right? And sort of like type bindings, more or less. We'll say like type bindings, right? And then executes them. This kind of thing, right? So I like query builders. And then the cool thing would be maybe we can make a query builder that is very ergonomic and easy to use in OCaml right? I use LazyVim. Like Lazy and Vim, the package manager. So the main things, right, that we get from using a query builder is we're going to have types. We have type hints. So I'll give you an example here. Okay? Here's the one that we've been trying to write. This one here is select star from user, and we just have inner join right now. It doesn't really matter. We're going to figure out some more stuff. We're in the middle of this, right? We're in the middle, okay? On lazy paging. I don't know yet. We don't have a lot of plans yet. We're mostly just exploring, okay? We're very early in the project. This one is a simple one to write, but here's something cool that we can do, okay? So here's our select, okay? And a select takes some existing query and some like function arguments, or some function that takes the query and returns a list of field names that it wants to do. So in this case, joined is a join on user and post, okay? Join is users and post. So what are the columns we want to accept? Chat, any answers? What are the columns what are the column names that we want to accept? And just write anything random? No. We only want to be able to do things from user and from post. Right? Your mom? Dang! Been roasted! Right? Table name, user class, so you can pass the whole table name at comp time. Yes, we're gonna do that later. Yes. So what we have here is this says, hey, this is our user class, which has an ID and a name. And this one is our post thing, and it has a title and an ID. And so here's the only fields we can do. We can't just type, oops. I was gonna say dog. That's not a field name. That ain't it, chief. That ain't it. Right? We can't accidentally, fat finger and say like, name like this. None of this things here, right? Right? Post or like user name. No. That doesn't have that. Did you mean name? I did mean name. You're right. Thank you. That's what I wanted, right? And then now this would, well, we haven't fixed this part yet, but like, then it will do user title name, right? So that's kind of the idea, right? Oh yeah, that's funny. Like, wait, I think I've had a plugin in Lazy for a while, so I'm okay. I don't feel too worried about it. Query builders work well when optimizing queries. That's not really what they're for. It's actually not about whether I like writing SQL or not, right? It's more like, do I like that I can use my type system to help me? Right? That's what I want. I want my type system to tell me that my queries are good or bad before I ship to prod. No, Bari, hey, thanks for the tier 1. Appreciate it. You guys understand what I'm saying? Like, that's the thing I like about OCaml is when it compiles, I feel good, like it's working. But what if I just have all of my logic in strings? I don't like having all of my logic in strings. You know what I'm saying? Right. You could use Rust with SQLX. Done. True. It's a good option. Suffering Python types. Many such cases. Yeah. Nelson. Right. It populates them with the right types. It can do automatic sort of like validation, other things like that. Well, but you guys are not saying, I'm not saying for convenience. I'm saying for correctness. Right? Yeah, generating types from queries is a good option too. But the thing is, like, with this method, these are all values, right? So I can like manipulate them. It's not just that I have like 25 different functions, right? I can have like values. I can select from tables. I can know which tables exist. You know, so I think it's probably, yeah, we'll see what happens. Built-in window function or simple case when? Not sure yet. We're gonna have to figure that part out too. That'll be part of the fun. But yeah, so that's what we've been working. Honestly, I just like the syntax. I think the syntax is nice too. Yeah. Right. So it's like, can I make it so that what you do, right, is if we go back to our main here. Right, these are what we've got here. Now we don't have, when we're doing build request, I don't have the fields here. Oh, this should be. Oh, right. Because this should really be let fields is F from in this, but this won't work. Because this is a query and we need to get the actual value. Whoopsie doopsies. This is like let rec build. Instead of request type, we just want to do let rec build request tables. So let's do let tables is build request tables from and tables. And then we should be able to do fields. Nice, great. Last time I second Teej and thought he was building something that already existed. He created a telescope. Oh, that's a orbital thing. Oh, that's funny. Thank you. Oh, that's very nice. This is Berkeley Mono. Oh my goodness, Raul with a tier 3? Hey, thank you. 2-month streak. Very much appreciated. Oh, dude, suborbital. That kills me though. That's funny. Raul. That was like the weirdest Raul I think I've ever done. Oh, I almost listened to it again. Nice. We're doing good on Partner Plus again this month. Thank you, chat. Thanks, everybody. All right. So then how do we do this? We say, okay, we've got join from and joined. Oh, baby, look at this. Select name, title, name from user, inner join on post. Oh, baby, let's go. So then the only question is like, should I be putting the table name somehow in front of this? Like, should this be user dot this and should this be user dot this? Because I can generate this. You know what I'm saying? Post dot this and post dot that, right? We put this, boom, post.title, user.name. Let's go. Have you checked out Apache Arrow? The coolest query engines? I haven't looked at it, but someone did mention that it's cool. Yeah, we definitely want to do this. I just don't know if I can do some shenanigans to do this a little bit simpler. Why not build SQLX-like query validator, but language independent instead of query builder? I think parsing and doing stuff with SQL is really hard. I still think there is potentially some benefit in constructing the SQL in your language, like using the idiomatic way that the language like works, right? But I don't know. I just don't think I'm gonna write. I think this is an attainable project. I could write something that I think will kind of work for my needs here. I don't think writing something that can parse all of SQL and then do a bunch of stuff with it is like in the attainable realm. But there exist some projects that kind of already do that. So I think it would be better suited for me to go and like help somebody do that if I wanted to. That already exists, Bankster. So, okay, so then what we need to do is we need to go, oh yeah, we want to do this. So now we need to say, how do we want to join this? We want to say something like this, identity. Okay, right? This won't work, so we need to go back to here, and let's go like this. Let equals xy is this. Oh baby, that's looking good. Let's go. Okay. Why would anyone want an OS written in OCaml? Because it's awesome. Why would anyone ever, or wait, isn't it? Yeah, there we go. Because it's awesome. Why would anyone ever want something to be secure? I don't know. I'm not sold. Okay, well then you can go read it and decide if you want to. I don't care if you use it. Why would I care if you use it? It's true, it's not a general purpose OS. What are pros of using OCaml? I really like its type inference and type system. What's my experience with compile times in OCaml for personal projects? Instant. Like this over here, every time I save and I go over here, it's already compiled and done. I mean, this is a small project, but it's like, it's faster. A lot of times it compiles and runs my tests so fast that I wasn't sure if I saved. Like unironically. Especially if you're used to like TypeScript land stuff. Faster than Go? I don't know. I actually don't know. It's hard to say. What do you need to run, build, develop with OCaml? You should check out ocaml.org. They got all the info there. As the kernel Python 3.11.0 is dead. Well, messing with font offsets to make you not have subpixel problems annoying. Meta, tier 3 sub, check ocaml.org. Attention. Does this even... Attention. Would you please direct
Your what the beans?
Hello? Oh, there we go. I don't know how that happened. My real voice revealed. Voice reveal. Whoops. Real voice. Oh no! It's been leaked. I was gonna say, would everyone please turn their attention to ocamel.org? Please turn your... Yeah, Prime. Dang it, that was my best Prime impersonation that I'll ever have. Stream Deck interface with rough and bevy. Stream Deck interface with rust. Oh, yeah. You're actually a robot. Still lower than... Oh, shoot.
Hello, testing.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, it's me, the Primogen. Don't forget to listen to me read to you. Woohoo!
Yeah, pretty wild. I wish my real voice had reverb. True. It'd be nice to watch an OCaml tutorial. That would be fun. I heard all future programming will eventually be closure. True, false. True, Ian, true. Yahoo! Oh my goodness. Oops. I keep forgetting that I have to do it like this because I'm stupid. Oh, right. Oh, right. We want to take this guy, I guess, huh? Well, we guess we want to evaluate this right now. This should turn into a string probably here. So we want to do like this, and we want to say... Oh, chat, I was gonna... Oh my goodness, Chat, I was gonna be done with this so long ago, but I could... Dang it. I was gonna be done with this so long ago, chat. I forgot. Oh my goodness. I forgot. Identity takes these two guys here. Oh, right. How can I do this? This gives both of these into an expertise. Oh. Because what do I want to do? I want to build this right here. SQL is easy to understand though. SQL is pretty cool. Yeah. I want a little camel in my status line. What's up, Drugba? Why not a little crap in your life? Oh yeah, why is Rust Analyzer running? You're totally right. We'll give it the restarteroo, no problem. So you'll have an AST. I don't know. It would be interesting to explore that, Shirai, but the problem I think is like, I mean, maybe it would work. It's just that they don't. I don't know. Maybe it would be better with an AST. You know what I mean? Maybe it would be. I don't know. So this is really like field name and field name, but this doesn't work. Because this is like equals XY. This takes a field name and a field name. So how was I doing this before? I want to write it like this. I want to write it like this. No, because this is already like this. This already says I need this thing and this thing. We need A and B basically, right? Because I don't want to evaluate this yet. Maybe I shouldn't do it like this. Maybe I shouldn't even say equals. Maybe this is really just, you know, A, B, bool. These should probably be the same type, honestly. So if we do equals this, I guess we don't even need to do this, right? We should just be able to say, can we just do this? Equal. Oh, wait. I got an idea, chat. Because, well, this is some function here. Oh, shoot. I don't know. How am I going to say this? Like start from pad and for some reason ClaimD runs when I'm writing protobus stuff. Nice. You probably could tell it to not do that if you wanted. You could change the file type stuff for it. Yeah, see you, Kevy. What up, Sardo? There's lazy for Kickstarter. Oh, very cool. Very cool, Jay. Yeah, I mean, the goal is definitely that you learn a lot, you know, with that method, right? So this should be that we have some fun X, Y, and that we... Oh, you know what? We could do this. Sardo! Wait, this doesn't work though. This is stupid. This is stupid. Is this stupid? I don't know. Because then this is basically like... I don't know what I'm doing. And Sardo gave subs and I'm not paying attention. Because we need to pass these guys in. We need to pass these in. So I'm just being dumb. Because this should be like this. And this. And then it should be... We get back a string. Like all of these should end up being a string. A, B. Oh, we need to do it like this. We definitely need to do it like this. Like this, okay? A, B to string, right? Let this how can I write this though? Like the problem is these have already been kind of like evaluated. It's like this and this. No, this is the function. It's just a function that takes x and y and then returns these two things, right? So is this gonna work? I don't know what I'm supposed to put here. Because these aren't, this is a function. What's the type of this function? It takes this and then returns C. But the equals is like too late. So what if we just try this? Equal. I think I just need to write it like this. Type this, expr equals. Oh, this doesn't work. We just remove this one. And we remove this. Okay, I'm trying to focus. I'm trying to focus, Chad. I'm trying to focus. I'm trying to do this. We'll see what happens. This language hurts to look at. Then stop watching. Got him! Oh, this. Oh, I've got it, chat. Do I need to put this many parentheses around this? No, surely not. Expert T takes an A and a B. Onto one argument. Do I need to say this again? You got me there. Oh, true. Make sure to drop a quick sub before you go. This is Monster Cat Chill. Yep, indeed. Video question I was working to figure out. Oh, nice. Very cool, dog meat. Nice. Oh my goodness, is this new Pearl? Yogurt, thank you. Thank you. Even though it's a hurtful and painful insult, I still am happy to hear that. Thank you. Can I not do this? I want this square and this square. I want these two to be the same. This doesn't work. Am I doing something wrong, chat? What am I missing here? Ocamp Pearl 37. So what I want to try and do equals this. The type of expertise expects two arguments but was applied to one. Wait, what? Really? Oh, I do that? Really? Oh, that seems crazy. Method user ID. Oh, chat. No way. Post user ID. Let's go to post. No way. Well, but this is almost works, but it doesn't quite work. Because really, equals here should be like... Oh, no way, no way, no way. Let equals x. Let equals x, y is x. X equals y. Shouldn't this return a string then? String, string, string. Oh, this is field name. Okay, we're closer. We're closer. It's working! It's working! But I'm not sure how to do this part yet still. I'm not sure. I don't know if I have enough power. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. Oh, it just feels amazing. Oh, it feels so good. Yeah, it feels pretty good. Do I have bang course in this? I don't have that. No. Okay. The rush of building a query builder. This song reminds me of any Arteezy fans in the chat. It reminds me of Mango Bay. That's what this song reminds me of. That's why I feel so good. That must be why I feel so good. Gotta spam some cool cat chat. Oh my goodness. Takes all those bad feelings and make them good feelings. No Arteezy enjoyers? No other Arteezy enjoyers? Dang. I'm old. True, Golden Kappa is probably cooler. What's up, Willis? Okay, so chat, this actually is like working, huh? Arteezy's washed. Yeah, but it doesn't mean I don't love him. My boy. Artur Befevsky. Poor potato farmer. Oh man, I haven't thought of that copy pasta in a long time. Turn up. Oh man. So many internationals wasted rooting for that guy. What can you do though? Still love him. My name is Torba. Sorry, batting Glansky. Oh my goodness. Oh, that really brings me back. Cliff Teezy. Feels so bad, man. Do I even need this one? I think it should know because it knows the type here. Oh, are they? Is he in attorney right now? I wonder if I can do this, like... So I'll make some questionable plays on Sven yesterday. They didn't advance. Alright. Okay, but chat, do you guys see what's going on here? So let's say we scuffed this up, okay? So this is a join. Alright, this is a join. And we're saying, hey, I want to join on the user and I want to join on a post. What happens if I do this? What do you think is going to happen, chat? It doesn't work anymore. In fact, this doesn't work and our selecting join doesn't work. Look at that. We change this back to post. It says dog. I can figure that out now. Let the database don't add any protection. Right? So when we change this to user, it doesn't know how to get the table. Or it says user doesn't have this user ID field. Right? So we can't join on these two things. Right? That's the whole thing we're shooting for. Just don't make mistakes. Just don't make mistakes. Dude, that's pretty sweet actually though. And then our select is working. So then if we said, oh, you know what? Actually, posts don't have titles anymore. We're going to get an error. It says, dog, I can't find a title. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it's actually working. You get an error from this. It's a skill issue, to be honest, but write good code. Lamau. What? It's like this is actually kind of working. Some people say shift left is bad. I actually like it when it breaks when a customer uses my product. Well, so I think there are some legitimate reasons to try and join on the same table. I don't know though. Rustin O Camel. ZD. Yes, join me in building Octane. Exactly. Is SQL injection possible? Probably not safe. It is. Very possible to inject right now, yes. It's very possible. Because we haven't done anything to sanitize when we get down to the query. But that's fine. Chat, we can drop user. Yeah, that's a later problem. Also, technically nothing accepts user input right now. We only accept fields. We don't have any like filter. Well, Bobby tables. Oh, I'm sure chat is. I know you guys are already gonna try. Don't worry, because we're gonna hook this up to the Twitch chat integration thing, and so I know you guys are gonna try and break it. I'm not. Chat, come on. I've been streaming for a while. Okay, I've been streaming for a while. I understand what happens when I connect something to Twitch chat. Okay. You guys are already all acting like you're 13, but when I do that, you all act like you're 8. You know what I mean? Like, every time we give you more rope, you just act crazier. But that's okay. It's a good stress test. You know? Ryan, did you see, though? Did you see this? And look at how it's written. Let's go to here, right? We actually write. Now I'm going to hopefully try and make some of this a bit smaller. I still have to play a little bit or more with this later, right? But you say from user, from post, and then you say, you know, I want these things. Actually, I wonder if I don't even need to make this say equals. I don't know. I have to think about this part. But look at this, right? You just say, hey, I want the user ID to equal the post user ID. Okay, we'll have macros. It does. It does. But I would like to avoid using them in user space if I can, and instead just use plain OCaml values. Like I'd rather iterate a bit more on doing some of them than go straight to macro land. Right? Like I can make this a lot simpler than this, right? Well, I like metaprogramming, but if we start at the beginning with we're just going to metaprogram, I think we'll end up in a spot that I should have picked a different idea than what I did, right? So like we can do let from table is from table name table. We can change each of these to from user and from post. So right, we can start simplifying these, right? Well, no, but some of these are going to do well, maybe, yes. Maybe we can. I might be able to, yeah. I have to see though. I need some way to bind these that this is going to be the same thing, so I'm not 100% sure yet. And I don't know why OCaml LSP. Hello? Are you dying? Just take the function table test. Right, but I'm not sure that that's what I don't know yet. I'm not sure yet. I still want to explore with some options here. Okay, OCaml LSP, what is going on? Why are you freaking out so much? Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. I don't know what's going on. Never had this happen so many times before. Something in this file is jacking it up, maybe? I don't know. Don't know what I would have in this file that makes it sad. Oh, maybe down here. Right, OCaml LSP and Rust. The irony. What are the other expressions? You could say greater than, you could say less than, you could say not in, you could have an embedded smaller query. We can have a ton of different stuff as we go, right? Right, it's like anything that could say that this is where we're... Oh, I guess for a join? Oh, you're probably right. What else would we do besides join? For join besides equals? Has anyone ever written anything besides equals for a join? What else do you guys do? Oh, like? Yeah. Oh, yeah, we could say join where, you know, like date greater than this date or something like that, right? Yeah, okay, yeah. That makes sense. But so a bunch of these we can make simpler, right? So here's like our from, and we can do let join. Right, so then this would be like join. Wait, why did I delete? Here we go. Hello? Okay, Malels P. Hello? That was weird. That was weird. Okay. John, and then add where. Ah, that makes sense. Expert like. Yeah, that's probably... Yes, you're probably right. I want to do something more like this. Right? Or have some function that takes... So I don't know. We'll play with this. We'll play with this, though, for sure. I probably don't need the expert. I can probably just say equal here. I don't know yet. More than one predicate. True. More than one predicate could work. Although we should be able to compose those here together. So we should be able to just go like this, you know what I mean? Something like this, right? We can add this as like a way to join them together. It's better if we compose them into something that is like a better type here probably than strings, and then at the end we need to do something that converts them to a string. I don't know what it is yet though. You know what I mean? Like we probably want to instead have something like... where you'd have like type, you know, T, and you'd have like, I don't know what it would be, right? You would need, so what are the kind of operations you can do? You have, you know, you have equal, right? Of, you know, of T and T, right? You have, you know, not equal of T and T, right? Like you know what I'm saying, chat? We like, or you have, or maybe this needs to be like this, right? We're like holding on to this, something like this, right? So you could do, you know, greater than, right? Yeah, so it's like, so there's, you know, ... All right, so we can do the other ones later. I don't do all there. Are there any expressions? I guess is not null is just like there. It's just a unary, right? So you do like not null and null, right? Or maybe we say, we can just make it even easier. Is not null is null. It's more like A is kind of like list T. It's like the T part. It's called it's a type hole. I gotta pee. One sec. Wow. Hey. Fancy meeting you here at the end of the video. Just go ahead, give it a smash. You know, wow, the like button. You can make fun of me in the comments for that one. I don't even care because you made it to the end of this video. Thanks everybody. See ya.